I'd like to speak about my experiences as a German girl, a German woman in Europe, because I was born in 1944 and later I had a lot of, not a lot, but I had problems to go to Europe, and I went many times to Europe. I was hitchhiking, but I wondered how they would, the other countries, the other people would see me. Maybe they are very angry. They didn't want to speak with me. But I had a lot of connections to Italy, and when I was very young, maybe 21, 22, I made a journey to Italy. We saw Assisi, Arezzo, Firenze, Perugia. We saw the churches and the paintings, and we loved it. But also what I wanted to mention was that the people were very friendly. They had a very warm connection to us and to me, and I felt so surprised. I didn't expect this. I thought they would say, "Oh, German, I don't want to see you. We had the Second World War, and then you had murdered the Jews, and never happened this in all over the world." And I really felt very, very glad and happy that they welcomed me. Although I was a German girl with blonde hair and maybe a bit cold and closed to the people, and yes, I would like to mention it. It was a very good experience.